Hi, this is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, owner of Source Development, a home improvement company in Garnerville, New York. This is how to repair drywall around a window. I'm simulating a wall, and let's make an assumption that there's a window mounted above the studs here. Very typical in the drywall installation process. Due to the positioning of the windows, the adjacent drywall has seams that can crack due to expansion and contraction of the window. If you do get a crack that occurs in the joint, you'd remove a section of the affected tape, clean out the joint of any loose compound, apply more compound, install a section of paper tape that was removed, and then apply finish coats of compound until the entire joint is sealed. And that's how to repair a drywall joint around the window. This is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, owner of Source Development, Inc., a home improvement company in Garnerville, New York.